Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to fix your microphone cutting out when you get loud in OBS. This is a super common issue that happens when your audio levels peak too high, causing that annoying distortion or cutout effect. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your OBS application on your computer. Once OBS launches, direct your attention to the audio mixer section, which is typically located at the bottom of your interface. This is where all your audio sources are displayed and managed in real time. Now look for your microphone source in the audio mixer. This will usually be labeled as mic/aux or something similar depending on how you've named your audio input. The exact name might vary, but it should be easy to identify as your primary microphone source. Right beside your microphone source name, you'll notice a small icon. Go ahead and click on that icon to reveal a menu with several options. From the menu that appears, select Filters. This is where you can add audio processing effects to your microphone, which will help prevent it from cutting out when your voice gets louder. Clicking this will open a new window dedicated to managing your audio filters. In the bottom left corner of the filters window, you'll see a plus sign. Click on this plus icon to add a new filter to your microphone. A list of available audio filters will appear. From this list, select Limiter and then click OK to confirm. The limiter is an essential tool that prevents your audio from peaking too high, which is exactly what causes those annoying cutouts during loud moments. Once the limiter is added, you'll see several adjustable options appear. Look for the option labeled Threshold. Right beside it, you'll find a text field showing the current value. Click on that text field and change the value from -6 to -3 decibels. This adjustment tells the limiter at what point to start controlling your audio levels, preventing distortion while still allowing your voice to come through clearly when you speak loudly. Below the threshold setting, you'll see another option called Release. Make sure this value is set to 60 milliseconds. This controls how quickly the limiter stops working after your audio drops below the threshold, ensuring smooth and natural sounding audio transitions. After you've made these adjustments, simply click Close to exit the filters window. Your microphone is now properly configured with a limiter that will prevent it from cutting out when you speak loudly or get excited during your streams or recordings. And that's it. Your OBS microphone should no longer cut out when your audio gets loud, giving you clean and consistent sound quality. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.